Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So children, in today's class, I am going to take the activity for Unit 7, that is the exciting animal world. Yeah, no, children. So let me revise this lesson by doing some interesting activity. Yeah, no, children, we know it that some animals live in water, some animals live on land, some animals live in trees, some animals fly in the sky, some animals are to use, some animals are very small, some animals have the 4 legs, some animals have the 2 legs, some animals don't have the legs only. Some animals crawl and go. So these all the things children already we have discussed in previous classes. So let me recall by doing some interesting activity. Yeah, children. So here and there we can find the numbers of animals. When you walk on the road, you can see on the road only some animals are moving. Yes or no? Some animals live in the forest. They are called the wild animals. Some animals we will keep as a pets in our home. Those are called the pets animals. Yeah, children. So here the first thing is called some animals. They live on land. So tell me children, which animals live on land? Yes, cow, then very good, buffalo, sheep, goat, yes, dog. These animals live on land, but almost all the animals live on the land. Children like tiger, lion, leopard, elephant, deer, monkey, giraffe. These animals also live on land. Children. So first thing is what here? Land animal. Okay. So what is that? First is the land animals. Now tell me children, some land animals name. This is the land animals. Land animals. Okay children. So you have to tell me the names, which animals are live on land. Okay children. Yes. Now tell me children, tell me some land animals name. Yes, first one, cow. Correct? Then sheep. Then tiger. Yes. Elephant. Then horse. Dog. Then tell me children, let me check one. Yes. Donkey. Then again. Tell me, yes. Goat. One more. Yes. Fox. So children, these all animals, they live on land. Where they live children? They live on land. Some animals children, they live animals only. Hello children. So next we see the water animals. So what is this? It's a water. You can see it's a water. Okay children. So next one is water animal. Will you name some animals which live in water, children? Tell me. Yes. Fish. First one is fish. Then first is fish is over. Then crab. You know? Then crocodile. Again. Tell me children. Then what? Octopus. Have you seen the octopus? Yes. Then seahorse, starfish, then shark. So these all animals live in water. Without water they cannot survive. Clear children? Fish, shark, seahorse, then starfish, octopus, shark, they cannot survive without water. They live in water only. So they are called the water animals. What they called? They called the water animals. So which animals are there? Tell me children. First is fish. You know how the fish looks? Yes. So numbers of animals we can see in the water. So fish. Then just you can see this picture and tell me. Tell me children, which picture it is? Tell me. Yes. It's a octopus. It's a octopus. This tell me children, which picture? Yes, it's a starfish. Yes. Then again tell me. Shark, big shark, you know, so very huge. What is that? Shark. Then one more. This one? Yes, it's a seahorse. Okay, children. So these are the water animals which live in water. Yes, children. So these are water animals. So in that only some animals they live in water also and on land also, both. Will you tell me which animals live in water also and on land? Yes. Crocodile, then frog, then duck. Which animals live in water as well as on land also. Okay children. Now we'll see the next one. So children, these all are activity only. Some activity. The next, will you tell me some birds' name? Yes, crow. Then sparrow. Yes, eagle, peacock, pigeon, parrot, owl, eagle, kingfisher, etc. So these are called the birds. What are they called? Birds. So how many legs birds have, children? Yes, very good. 2 legs. Birds have 2 legs, 2 wings to fly, and 1 beak, and then body is covered with full of small feathers. Clear, children? Now next is what? Next, tell me the bird's name. Here you can see, children. There is I have drawn the very small birds. Now we'll write inside of this some birds' name. Okay, children? Now tell me. Yes. We'll start from here. Crow. Then, yes, parrot. Then, children, yes, dove. Then, goose. Then, tell me, children, again, sparrow. Then, peacock. Yes. Then, ostrich. Yes. Then, pigeon. Owl. Eagle. So like that, numbers of birds are there. Yeah, the children. So these are birds. Where they fly? They fly in the sky. Okay, children. So here, birds have the 2 legs, 1 beak, 2 feathers to fly, and the body is covered with the small feathers. Okay, children? Now next we'll see some animals are very small, and those are called the insects. Some animals are also called the insects. Okay, children? How many legs insects have, children? Tell me. Yes, they have the 6 legs. How many legs? They have the 6 legs. They are very small with the paper-like wings to fly. Name some insects, children. Yes, housefly, then cockroach, mosquito, bee, bug, beetle, then grasshopper, etc. So these all are insects. They have the 6 wings. Sorry, they have the 6 legs. How many legs? They have the 6 legs and 2 wings. Okay, children. Now next we'll see the insects. Here you can see. I have drawn the, what is this, children? Yes, it's a butterfly. Butterfly also an insect only. Yeah, na children? Butterfly also an insect only. Now inside of this butterfly, we'll write some insect's name. Okay, children? So we'll use the colorful marker to write. Okay? So first we'll write the bitter. Okay? Then bug. Okay? Then tell me, children. Yes, then we'll write ants. What is that? Ants. Then we'll go to that side. The next is what? The next we'll write here mosquito. Yes? Then again, children, tell me the next is what? The next is? The next is, tell me, the next is cockroach. Okay, children, the next one is cockroach. Okay. Then one more, tell me, children, one more name. One more is grasshopper. One more is grasshopper. Okay, children. Then this animal is called what? It's called a butterfly. Called a butterfly. You can see here the beautiful wings with colorful so these are what? It's a insect. So insects have 6 legs. How many legs insects have, children? Insects have the 6 legs. Okay? And the 2 wings to fly. Clear? So, now next is the crawling animals. What is that? Crawling animals. Crawling animals means what, children? They move very slowly with the body close to the ground. They move very slowly and their body close to the ground. How we human beings are walking on land, our body is close on the ground only. Clear? It is close to the ground. So like that in the some animals also. They move very slowly and their body is close to the ground. Those are called the crawling animals. What are they called? They call the crawling animals. is the crawling animals. What is this, children? Tell me. Yes, it's a snake. Yeah, children. Snake is also called crawling animals. See, its body is very close to the ground. Its body is very close to the ground. So like that many animals are there. Their body is very close to the ground and they move very slowly. Will you tell me, children? Will you tell me which animals are there? Yes, we'll start from here. First is the snake. What is that first one? First one is snake. Then next one. Tell me, children. Next is crab. Then next one, ant. Then next is lizard. Then crocodile. Next one is crocodile. And this animal is called which animal it is? This drawing. Yes, it's called a snake. It's a snake. So these are which animal, children? These are crawling animal. See how many names are written here? Crocodile, lizard, ant, crab, snake and the snake. So these all animals are called the crawling animals. Clear, children? And some animals, they help us in many ways. By giving some product, they are helping to us. Will you tell me some animals which help us? Yes, first one, cow. Cow gives us milk. Very good. Sheep gives us wool. In the winter season, you will wear the sweater, scarf, all the things that is made up of sheep wool only. Then next, every Sunday you will have the egg. Either it is boiled or omelette. You know. So how it's come? It's come from the hen only. Hen, emu, ostrich. These are the birds they give us egg. Some animals, they help us in other ways also, like horse, bullock, oxen. What we will do? We will make a cart. We will enjoy the cart. We will sit and enjoy. That is called the cart. Horse cart, bullock cart, oxen cart. Clear, children? So these are the some animals. They help us in the other ways also. Clear? So children, these are the some activity I have done for you people. Clear? Now I will give the one small activity for you people. You have to do it yourself. Clear? You have to do it yourself without taking the help of your parents. You should do it yourself only. So what is that? Write activity. Okay children, so first activity is what here? This one, first activity. Here you have to write the bird's name, not a more, only 5 birds name. Okay children? Then next one. Here you should write the insects. Okay, 1, 2, 3 only I have given. Next one. Third one. Okay. Third is what here? So here finally the last one, you have to write the water animals. Okay children, which animal should write here? Water animals. So 1, 2, 3, 4 water animals you have to write. So what is the activity children? Write the day and date, unique number you have to mention, unique name you should write, the exciting animal, bird, then give the heading, activity, draw the circle, 5 arrow marks, and inside write the birds, and then write 5 birds name only. Only 5 birds name. Draw the triangle and the 3 corner, that is the 3 circle. Inside write the insects and then write only 3 insects. Last one, draw the waters with the blue color. Okay children, draw the water with the blue color only. So blue color water, and then draw the balloons, and inside of the balloons you have to write the 4 water animals. So to do this activity children, you can use the colorful crayons also. Okay children, I hope you will enjoy by seeing this all the images whatever I have drawn on the board. Okay children, do the activity in your EVS notebook and then send me in the app. Thank you children.